What's up everybody, Brian here with Attention to Details. Friday morning before the long weekend. Yeah, beautiful weather out, but it's supposed to rain, which sucks. But anyway, show you what's going on today. We have a 2024 Cadillac CT5 Blackwing. We did a full xpel fusion frontal and a complete rocker kit on this, all edges wrapped. And this is number 88 out of 255 with 6-speed. So a really cool car. Your normal issues that we talk about all the time: car full of fish eyes, thin paint, paint nubs. So you get it as best as you can, and then it's the best thing to protect it. So we got this one that's going to be leaving today, come out stunning. Then over here we have a 2017 Z06 Corvette. I think it's only got like 1,800 miles on it. This is a full wrap stealth fusion. And then we just tinted the rear quarter windows is all we wanted done on this, but come out stunning. So this is some of our work. This is leaving as well. 2024 BRZ that we did a full frontal with the rockers and door seals. Just got the front bumper put on. Randy's over there getting ready to pull off the kill board, and then this one will be leaving at the end of the day as well. Then we have a 2023 Ford SUV. I forget which one this is. We got so many cars in. Anyway, all we're doing with this car today, it's just in the process of being prepped, clay barred, and getting the hood. We're just wrapping the hood on this right now, and then he's going to do things in stages. So we got this going on. Then over here we have a 2019 Audi RS5 coupe. Beautiful car. We did a full frontal with rockers on this, rim off ceramic coating, and the calipers. These are aftermarket rims, he's brand new that he put on, and then on the other side there, he's got the stock rims that we also ceramic coated for him that he's going to use for the winter time. But anyway, this car come out good. It just needs its bath, and it'll be leaving first of the week after the holiday Monday. But we got lots going on, so stay tuned. Really cool vehicles, a new Z06 coming in, multiple vehicles. Anyway, humbled and blessed for all the work. Thank you very much. 219-628-0288. Give us a call for any protection needs. We are a leader in Northwest Indiana with all your PPF using xpel exclusively. So again, give us a call. Love and happiness. Peace.